Hello friends, welcome to the new series of Git. In this video, I will be talking about the introduction of Git. So what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system. What do we mean by version control system? Let's say we have a file and we have written lines of code in that file and we call them it is a version 1. Now, in the future requirement changes, we change some of the code in that file and then we say that it is a version 1.1. Then how can we track and go back to the previous version? It helps you to do the same thing. We can track the changes that we have the version 1, and in version 1 we have some changes. In version 1.1 we have different changes, and in the future version 1.2 we have different changes. So Git is a version control system. You can manage the version control of that file. Okay, so why Git is important? Suppose you are working on a project, okay, and you have made some changes and another developer has made some another changes, okay, then how can you track? Means I have made this file, I have made these changes, okay, and another developer has made these changes. For example, we are working on a sign up page. Who added this functionality? Now we want to track this forward password functionality. Who has added those? So Git allows you to track those changes. And suppose you are working on a project, then you can communicate to another developer with the help of Git. It helps you to collaborate among the developer, allowing them to work on a project while efficiently manage the history of changes. Means who has made what changes. Git helps you to do the same thing. It also enables developer to track changes, preserve history, branching and merging. You can create a separate branch, you can focus on your work, okay, and then you can merge to the main branch. In main branch, suppose there is a main project which has main branch that is up to date. Now you can create your branch, you can work, you can do your work on that separate branch, and then you can merge those changes in the main branch. And with the same way, another developer can create his own branch and then he can merge his changes to the main branch. So with the help of Git, you can create branching and merging. You can collaborate to another developer that uh, that this is not the right change. Just do this thing. This is the best approach. You can collaborate to another developer with the help of Git and GitHub. Also, suppose you have created one project. Now you can store this project or repository in a platform like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. We can host those repositories in these platforms. We will see everything practically in the next videos. Okay, so that's it for this video. We have covered Git and why it is important.